Good morning everyone, Teacher Mala here. We are still in the topic of animals and today we are going to see about life cycle of animals. Life cycle of animals. Animals that lay eggs will change as they grow. These changes occur in the animal's life cycle. Before we start, teacher wants to all of you to memorize the word of alpha. Alpha. Say again. Alpha. What's alpha? Alpha is a word which teacher created for you all to remember the life cycle of an animal. Okay, now alpha stands for what? The first letter in alpha is E. E for egg. Egg is the first stage in the life cycle of an animal that lay eggs. Now, the second letter in alpha is L. L stands for larva. Larva. Now, the next letter is P. P stands for pupa. Pupa. The last letter is A. A stands for adult. Adult is referred to an animal that fully grown. An animal that fully grown, we call it adult. Okay, now kids, please make sure that you remember the word of alpha, the 4 stages of life cycle of an animal, because it will make us easier to remember the life cycle of animal that lay eggs. Life cycle of animals that lay eggs. Life cycle of a frog. There are 4 stages in a life cycle of a frog. The first stage is egg, and the second stage is tadpole or larva. The third stage is froglet. We also call it pupa. The last stage is adult, where the frog becomes adult frog. Next, we are going to see about life cycle of a duck. As usual, there are 4 stages. The first stage is egg. From egg, it will change into a hatchling. Then it becomes duckling, and finally it grow into a duck or adult. Life cycle of an ant. Kids, we are still using alpha for this part, which contain 4 stages of life cycle of an animal that lay eggs. The very first stage in the life cycle of an ant is egg. From egg, it will change into larva. From larva, it will become pupa, and finally pupa becomes adult or ant. Next, we are going to see about life cycle of a ladybird. Same like before this, there are 4 stages in a life cycle of a ladybird, and it starts with egg. From egg, it will become larva, and from larva it will change into pupa, and lastly it will change into adult or a beautiful ladybird. Life cycle of animals that give birth. Kids, please remember that life cycle of animals that lay eggs and life cycle of animals that give birth are different. There are only 3 stages in a life cycle of animals that give birth. For example, we are going to see about cow. For example, we are going to see about a life cycle of a cow. The first stage we call calf, and the calf will change into a yearling. From yearling, it will grow into a cow. The cow is the last stage or the third stage in a life cycle of a cow. Okay kids, that's all for today. We are in the end of this topic. Today we learned about life cycle of animals that lay eggs and life cycle of animals that give birth. If you have any questions, you can ask me directly. There are 2 activities that you need to answer. Firstly, answer the questions in page number 25, 26 and 27 in your science activity book. Secondly, complete the given worksheet in page number 4 and 5. Then paste the worksheet in your science exercise book or science long book. Finally, take pictures and send to me personally. Thank you and stay safe.